Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I want to show you how you can password protect an Excel spreadsheet. Why would you want to do that? Well, maybe you have a spreadsheet that has sensitive information. Maybe you have some financial data and you don't want other people to access it and put a password on it, and that will prevent all the people from entering unless they know the password and its full disclosure. All right, enough talk, let's jump into here. I have latest version of Excel that comes with Office 365. If you have recent version like 2019, 2016, 2013, or any version before, the password protection means protection capability has been there for a while, so you should be able to do this. All right, let's open up Excel. Oh, I have just one dummy data I have just used. For example, you may have you have some sensitive or financial. I just want to have easily available that anyone can see, so I should probably password protect it. So how do we do that? What I'm going to do is we click on the file menu. Okay, so and then by default I land in a section called info. The good news is we want to be an info because you will be you will see this option right next to the info button that says protect workbook. Let's click on a protect workbook, and one of the options is encrypt with password. That's exactly what we want to do, so let's click on that. And I get this little dialogue that lets me type in a password. And now a few things to remember. They have this caution text here. It's good that they include it, because basically if you forget your password, you are never going to back into this document, because there are no forget password hint or anything like that. In fact, what they recommend doing is write down the password and write down the file name and store that in a safe place. Don't just store that on your desk, you or anyone can see it. That exact actually happens a lot. So what we are going to do is we are going to type uh, um, in a super complicated password, type in password. Just I'm just kidding to use that as password. It actually turn out, and you look at the most popular passwords, they done analysis on this. Password is actually one of the most popular passwords. First of all, I want to type a password. Okay, so let me type my password. Now, I'm talking about that key. There are so many most popular passwords, and if you are using that as your password, you should change it right away, because that's a very poor password. That's probably the first password the most people guess when they try to break into account. So I how many re-enter the password, because if I typed it wrong, I would be never be able to get into this sheet again. So now let me type it one more time. Okay, so I'm gonna click OK here. Okay, and now now this means now it says a password is required to open this spreadsheet. So what I'm gonna to do is that we are spreadsheet. So what I'm gonna do is gonna close Excel, and I'm gonna go ahead. Okay, let me go ahead and save this sheet, and then I'm going to do means I mean going to do open Excel again. Will test it, we will test it out. So here you will see on my recent list my password protect Excel sheet is the first item. And here, before I can open, let me open it. So here I can, before I can open the Excel spreadsheet, it says that it's protected and I have to type in a password. So let me type my super complicated password. Okay, so let me type it. Okay, so that one, that no one can, let me okay it possibly, I would like to say that no one can possibly guess, and we are going to click on okay. So the password checks out, and so here it opens my data and I can see all my important financial data. So pretty easy to set a password on your sheet. And so why would you do, let's say that you like stronger documents. So anyway, if you were able to protect more of your data using this technique, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, if you knows what to do, just hit the subscribe button. And there's anything else you want to learn and other thing that you are trying to figure out, leave a comment down below and I will add it to my list of videos to create in the future. And hey, and now I would like to say that all I have for you today, and I see you next time. So bye guys.